Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we help you ace the CELPIP exam with sample practice tests and expert tips. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable content. Today, we're diving into what to expect on test day. Whether it's your first time or you're retaking it, knowing what happens can reduce anxiety and help you perform your best. Let's break it down step by step, from prep to finish line. By the end, you'll feel ready and confident. First off, preparations start well before the big day. The CELPIP test is a 3-hour computer-based exam covering listening, reading, writing, and speaking, all in one sitting. No paper, no pencils, everything's digital. To get ready, familiarize yourself with the format using official free sample tests, webinars, and study guides. Practice daily. Listen to North American accents via podcasts, read articles for comprehension, write emails and responses, and record yourself speaking. Avoid cramming the night before. Instead, get a solid 8 hours of sleep. Eat a balanced breakfast, like oatmeal or eggs, to keep your energy steady. If you need accommodations, like extra time or snacks for medical reasons, request them in advance through the official site. Double-check your registration details and ID validity. An expired passport could ruin everything. Now, what to bring? Keep it minimal. Test centers are strict. Your must-haves: a valid photo ID that matches your registration exactly, like a passport booklet for international folks or a Canadian driver's license. No photocopies or expired docs allowed. Also, bring a printed or digital copy of your confirmation email with your registration number. That's it. Leave prohibited items at home. No phones, watches, jewelry, coats, hats, unless religious or medical, notes, electronics, food, drinks, or even kids. Unsupervised children mean no entry. Skip the perfume too. Scents can distract others. The center provides everything else: a pen, notepaper, which you return, headset, microphone, and a keyboard. Pro tip: wear comfortable layers as rooms can be chilly. Arrival time is crucial. Get there at least 45 minutes early. Latecomers get turned away with no refund or reschedule. Check-in closes 15 minutes before start time. Use the bathroom beforehand. Breaks aren't scheduled. At check-in, present your ID for scanning. Expect security, empty pockets, roll-up sleeves and pants. Remove glasses for inspection. Some places use metal detectors. They'll take your photo, face fully visible, and have you sign in. Store belongings in a locker. Turn off all devices. The center isn't liable for losses. Once cleared, you're escorted to your workstation. In the exam room, it's quiet, but not silent. You might hear typing or muffled speaking from others. Headsets block most distractions. No talking, no leaving unescorted, no disruptions. Start with an audio check for your equipment. The test flows continuously. Listening, 47 to 55 minutes. Reading, 55 to 60 minutes. Writing, 53 to 60 minutes. Then speaking, 15 to 20 minutes. Manage time wisely. Unscored experimental questions might pop up in listening or reading. For bathroom breaks, raise your hand. An invigilator escorts you with rechecks on return. Over 20 minutes away, test over. No eating or drinking unless approved. Stay calm, breathe deeply, focus on one task at a time. If tech issues arise, alert staff immediately. After finishing, you're escorted out. Results hit your online account in 3 to 4 business days. Download your official report then. If something went wrong, report it within 24 hours via your account. A few final tips from real test takers. Practice under time conditions to build stamina. Arrive extra early if you're nervous to settle in. Stay hydrated, but not too much. Avoid mid-test urgency. Even native speakers prep hard. The format can trick you. Visualize success by watching official test day videos. There you have it. What to expect on CELPIP test day. Preparation is key to turning nerves into confidence. If this helped, comment your biggest worry below and share with friends prepping too. Check out my playlist for more tips and practice tests. Thanks for watching. Good luck. You've got this. See you next time.